The bystander effect. Human beings often assume that in emergency situations, people naturally step forward to help others. We tend to believe that when someone is in danger or distress, the presence of many people increases the likelihood of assistance. However, psychological research suggests something surprisingly different. In many situations, the presence of more people can actually reduce the likelihood of intervention. Instead of encouraging action, large groups may unintentionally create passivity, hesitation, and inaction. This psychological phenomenon is known as the bystander effect, a concept that became one of the most important discoveries in social psychology because it challenged assumptions about human morality, responsibility, and group behavior. The bystander effect demonstrates how human actions are deeply influenced not only by personal values, but also by social context and the behavior of others around us. Origin of the bystander effect. The concept of the bystander effect gained widespread attention after the 1964 murder of Kitty Genovese in New York City. Kitty Genovese was attacked outside her apartment building late at night. Early reports claimed that multiple witnesses either heard or partially observed the incident, yet very few people intervened immediately or contacted the police. Although later investigations revealed that some details in media reports were exaggerated, the case raised an important psychological question. Why do people sometimes fail to help when others are present? This question deeply interested social psychologists John Darley and Bibb Latané, who began systematically studying helping behavior in emergency situations. Their research led to the development of the concept known as the bystander effect, which refers to the decreased likelihood of helping behavior when multiple bystanders are present. Diffusion of responsibility. One of the most important explanations for the bystander effect is diffusion of responsibility. In situations involving many people, responsibility becomes psychologically divided among the group. Instead of feeling personally accountable, each individual unconsciously assumes that someone else will take action. For example, if a person collapses in a crowded public place, each bystander may think, "Someone else must have already called for help. Another person is probably more qualified to handle this. If this was really serious, someone would do something." As responsibility spreads across the group, personal accountability decreases. This often leads to collective inaction, even when everyone recognizes that help is needed. Ironically, the larger the group, the less pressure each individual feels to intervene. Pluralistic ignorance. Another important concept related to the bystander effect is pluralistic ignorance. Human beings often look to others for cues about how to behave in uncertain situations. When people are unsure whether something is actually an emergency, they observe the reactions of those around them. If nobody else appears concerned, individuals may conclude that intervention is unnecessary. For example, imagine hearing a loud argument in a public place. A person may initially feel worried, but after noticing that everyone else remains calm, they may suppress their own concern and assume the situation is normal. This creates a cycle where everyone privately feels uncertain, yet publicly behaves as though everything is fine. As a result, no one takes action. Classic experiments by Darley and Latané. To better understand helping behavior, Darley and Latané conducted several influential experiments. One famous study involved participants sitting alone in separate rooms while communicating through an intercom system. During the experiment, one participant appeared to experience a seizure and cried out for help. The results were striking. Participants who believed they were the only person listening responded quickly and were more likely to seek help. However, participants who believed several other people were also listening responded much more slowly, and in some cases, failed to respond entirely. This experiment demonstrated that social context strongly influences helping behavior. The presence of others can reduce individual responsibility, even in serious situations. modern applications of the bystander effect. The bystander effect is not limited to physical emergencies. It also appears in modern digital environments. On social media platforms, people often witness cyberbullying, hate comments, harassment, or emotional distress without intervening. Many users assume that someone else will respond, report the content, or support the victim. This creates a digital version of the bystander effect. Similarly, during online live streams or public posts asking for help, messages may be ignored because responsibility becomes psychologically shared among thousands of viewers. The phenomenon can also be observed in schools, workplaces, and public institutions, where individuals fail to speak against bullying, discrimination, or injustice because others remain silent. In many cases, silence becomes socially contagious. Social and psychological significance. The bystander effect is important because it reveals how strongly human behavior is shaped by social environments. People often imagine morality as an individual trait, but psychology demonstrates that behavior is also influenced by situational factors, group dynamics, and social perception. The bystander effect reminds us that good intentions alone do not always lead to action. Even caring individuals may hesitate in group settings because of uncertainty, fear of embarrassment, or diffusion of responsibility. Understanding this phenomenon encourages greater self-awareness and social responsibility. The bystander effect teaches us that human behavior is deeply interconnected with the presence and actions of others. When responsibility becomes shared, action often decreases. Yet awareness of this psychological process can help individuals respond more consciously in real-life situations. Sometimes, all it takes is one person choosing to act first. Whether in public emergencies, online spaces, classrooms, or workplaces, recognizing the bystander effect can encourage people to move beyond passive observation and become active participants in helping others. Because ultimately, social change often begins when one individual decides not to remain just a bystander.